Hi, first graders. This week, I'm going to tell you about your science assignments, and I'm going to make them all within one assignment so you can find them easier. You'll just move from one video to the next to move on. Happy Tuesday. It's day one science, and I'm going to show you your first activity of the week. All right, to find your first assignment this week, you're going to find Dora the Purple Backpack. Now you're going to find McGraw-Hill Connect-Ed. Go ahead and click on that, and it should bring you to your to-do list and all that. And then you're going to find this video. It's called the Weekly Opener video. I'm going to play it for you, but you won't hear the sound, so I'll just talk over it. Sounds all around. What sounds can you hear? How are they made? It says, listen, there are sounds all around you every day. Then you hear something. What do you think you'd hear right now? A bird? Rain? Cars? Beep beep. It explained that some things are made by nature and other noises are made by people. And then it invites you to try out some instruments so you can make some sounds of your own. I hope that you go to McGraw-Hill and listen to it yourself and experience those sounds, because it sounds a lot better when you listen to the video than when you listen to me. All right, that's day one. Thinking about what sounds do you hear? How are they made? All right, I'll see you day two for your next assignment.